I'm Lori Ballen, and I earn six figures in affiliate marketing profits alone, in addition to several other companies. And today I want to show you specifically how you can add affiliate links to your website using preset links that you set in advance that are going to go to those affiliates. And if you want the pro version, you can actually set up automatic linking. Now today I am going to feature thirsty affiliates. That's who I'm using on my websites. And if you take a look here, this is a plugin for WordPress. So if you have a WordPress website, this is going to be great for you. At least I'm going to show you how it works on there. All right, so if you have I'm going to show you the free version and the paid version. If you have one website, the paid version is going to be $49. And it renews after 12 months, has a 14-day refund guarantee. 5 websites, so if you're building a bunch of niche websites like I am for your affiliate business, then it's $79 for the 12 months. And if you are an empire builder and you're building tons and tons, or you have an agency and you're helping people build these out, then you're going to do the $149. Okay, now you can take a look here at the free versus pro. So you get lots of items in the free, but this is the one that made me sign up to be paid for the paid one. Automatic keyword linking. Now let me show you how this works. So I'm in my website now. What you would do is I'm going to go over and create a new post. So let's just say I'm going to do a blog. Now I'm going to do a blog all about my video equipment. I get asked this all the time, what I use for my video equipment. Okay, so I'm going to do my little intro. I'm going to put a video, and I'm going to put a call to action, sign up something. Then I'm going to have my table of contents. This is just kind of how I do all my blogs. And then I'm going to start my paragraphs and start talking. So let's just say my first paragraph is going to be on video lighting. I have several things that I use for video lighting. So I might do a little section here on what's important about video lighting, and which kind of natural lighting versus lights from your chandelier, whatever. And now let's just say somewhere in here I say the word diva light ring or tabletop diva light ring. Now, I refer to these quite often throughout my website, so it might be beneficial to me to have an auto link set up that every time I say the word diva light ring, it goes to my product page, or it goes to Amazon or whatever affiliate link I'm using. So if I were to go over here to Amazon and I'm going to type in diva light ring, let me find my tabletop one. Okay, this one here, let's just say, no, not that one. Not that one. Hold on, let me just grab the one I want to actually use, because once I set this up, I want it to be the right one. There it is. Okay, so I go to my light ring. Now up here, I can use SiteStripe, or I can go to my Amazon Associates, build a link, and I'm going to get the link that has my code in it, so that I get paid when somebody clicks on this setup. So I'm going to go ahead and click Amazon. I'm going to go back over to the affiliate links. Okay. Now I'm going to go open Thirsty Affiliates in a new tab. And I'm going to go to add a link, new affiliate link. Ignore all my notifications there. Okay, I understand. There we go. We have all these terms of service we have to address. Okay, so add affiliate link up here. I'm going to say this is my tabletop diva light ring. Then I'm going to say this is where I want them to go. Okay, now what'll happen, let's go ahead and just set this up. I like to put global no follow. No. Okay, so global's no on all of it. Okay. Follow link, no. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this. Oh, I can also do categories. So maybe I'm going to put this under video equipment. It's going to be my category. And I'm going to save link. I'm going to go back over here to my blog, and I'm just going to save this draft so that the link shows up in our database here. Now, right now, I'm showing you what the free version looks like. Okay. So here we've set up our link, and now every time I want to say the word tabletop diva light ring, I can go like this. I can click the Thirsty Affiliates, and I can type in diva, and then I can click that link. Lori Ballen recommends the tabletop diva light ring. The biggest difference now is if you have the paid version, which is the one I recommend, you're going to see this new box show up down here called Auto Link Keywords. You're able to put in a list of keywords, and what you're saying is, every time I mention these keywords anywhere on my entire website or blog, I want you to link to the tabletop diva light ring. This is definitely what you want to be using if you are looking to build an affiliate marketing business. Check out my website, the7thstream.com. That's THE 7thstream.com, where I am teaching you how to do affiliate marketing. Check out the links in this video to see the software and the website platforms that I use. My name is Lori Ballen, six-figure income earner on affiliate income, and I appreciate you joining me today.